My name is Hussein Chogle. I have come from US actually. I was looking to get my hair transplant. I explored many different ways, like even patch or anything like that. Was very depressed with my hair. I mean, my hairlines was receding. I had really thin hair, I would say. So I discovered Anagen in Mumbai. Not only Anagen, I have met a couple of hair transplant clinics and spoke to them. I took their review, I discussed with them. But the confidence and assurance, I would say, I got from this clinic was tremendous. Even the staff was very helpful. From the day one, they made me comfortable. They gave me assurance and confidence that we can get you good hair as long as you have complete treatment with us, like kind of medications and all that stuff. And I was confident, and today it's like 8 months, and I'm so glad that I took this decision 8 months back, and I'm looking forward, even for another session, inshallah, next month. And so far, I'm very happy with the result, and I'm so glad I made the decision to come all the way from US to get this transplant done in Mumbai.
अगर में आप और जानकारी चाहते हैं तो हमारे नीचे दिए नंबर्स पे हमारे काउंसलर्स और डॉक्टर्स को मैसेज कीजिए अपने फोटोग्राफ के साथ, फ्रंट से, टॉप से और पीछे से। वो आपको बताएंगे कि आपको कितने हेयर ग्राफ्ट की जरूरत है, कितनी कॉस्ट होगी, कितना टाइम लगेगा, कितनी आपको छुट्टी लेनी है। बालों को बचाइए, गिरने मत दीजिए और ट्रांसप्लांट से पहले स्कैल्प की तैयारी कीजिए। See you soon.